Over the two.
Whoa, look at that.
That's running hard, isn't it? Keep the pressure on. Use your rod, pump him up.
Go on, Rexy.
Yeah, let's go in it.
Oh, bloody hell. He always makes them look big. Took 5 boys. Hey, this might be a marlin this day.
I think it's a tuna.
Is it a tuna?
It's staying deep this one, see the others come up on
Yeah.
the surface.
Yeah.
It took a lot of line off there.
Yeah, it flew off, didn't it?
Leave them outside. Look at that tongue hanging out. Yeah, sometimes he'll run at you, don't just assume he's got organs.
Yeah.
You got this?
One each, isn't it?
You need butt pad. You need butt pad, Dave.
Who's he? Got his tongue hanging out, you know. Concentrate. Yeah, okay.
Seen it, yeah?
Probably liven up again when you see the boat.
Whoa. Yeah, keep it.
What? To be, there you go. All fighting. Tired, yeah?
You've been on 5 minutes now, Dave.
Hello, he's timing. I don't care if it takes an hour. The longer it takes, the better the fish. Not over there. Popped up over there. Shoot, I see him flashing. See the size of it now?
Yeah.
You took it as a monster, wouldn't you? No. You wait to get one 300 or 400 pounds.
Oh,
Right, now just lift it gently right up in the air. Oh, I've got it. Whoa!
unbelievable.
There you go. Oh, well done, fish. Well done.
Well on you, Dave. Well done, buddy. Got your picture?
I will try it. Got it?
That's a pot, that is a small.
Want to keep that one?
One for the barbie, that will get a big one.
No, they're much for muchness, so if you want to keep one,
We'll keep that for
Yeah.
Alright.
Praise up.
Alright boys, they're all pretty much now.
They're kicking harder than a catfish.
We'll smack it up there then, Dave.
I'm just gripping it.
Well, try it out, mate.
Step over here with it while you got hold of it. Right, not to upset you, because he's going to want to get a little bit of water in. He'll be thrashing about the water. Look how quickly got through the water. Right, ready? Slide him in. Good man.
We're on you, Dave.
You have an email for it? Hey?
Do you have an email address?
Yeah. Yeah.
I'll have to send you a clip of this.
Alright.
Yeah.